Metals, Sun Hydrogen and Sun Power stocks update. So as at the end of the session of the 2nd of February 2021, the American Battery Metals closed at $4.03. So as you can see, we have a position in that company. They have a stake in that stock. So it's important that you know that. So this stock, it has a market cap of 1.9 billion, and it's been of interest to a lot of market participants. And, it has 479.89 million shares. Okay, so let's see if we can find a short interest for American Battery Metals, ABML. Okay, we don't have. Okay, but it increased by 13,414%. We pointed that out some days ago. So it's probably stands at 297,300. Not a lot compared to what its short interest is, so what its float is. Outstanding shares is 479 million, so that is not anything to cry about. And then you have the technically, it appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that it's outperforming the S&P 500. Okay, momentum for ABML is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. Yes, it's rising. As you can see here, that's the price rate of change. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. And we have been able to determine that currently it is on the ascent. So we will, if all things are going to remain that way, we have the data from. We have used the data. The closing prices from the 22nd of January, which is somewhere here, which is around $3.34, somewhere up here, $3.34. So we have used that data to I'd say low point, and then used this $4.08, which occurred on the 25th of January as the high point, and then used this closing price as at the 2nd of February. So we've used these three data points, and would have been able to determine that its next extension level which lies at the 61.8% extension level. It's a natural number that Fibonacci propounded or discovered. So at that 61.8% extension levels, we're looking at ABML trading at $4.49. So that will be the next level we are looking at if it continues to ascend, if it continues to increase in price. And the next one, which will be the 100% level, is $4.77. So this is what we're looking at right now. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. And it's been for some days, yes, it's been trading up and up and up. Even though it's also it's sufficiently retraced sometime in sometime in this sometime at the end of last month, January 2021. Okay, so let's move on to Sun Hydrogen, HYSR. So okay, it's coming up. Oh yeah, it's taking ages. Okay, fortunately we got it. So Sun Hydrogen also closed for the session of the 2nd of February 2021 at approximately $0.23. So and we have to indicate that we have a position in Sun Hydrogen as well. It has a market cap of $553.4 million. So these two stocks, American Battery Metals and Sun Hydrogen, they are in the hydrogen battery fuel cell space, and of late there has been recent positive outcomes in that broader space. There was this company EC Power. They've been able to develop a battery that can reach the production of hydrogen. And then as it concerns the batteries, there's this other company that is producing batteries that that can be charged faster, and they use lithium. They use lithium and graphite. So it is that company is replacing graphite as an electrode using other nanoparticles, silicon nanoparticles, to make it easier for the lithium ions to flow through, to flow easily, as such, faster. So that's broadly the positives in that broad space, that fuel cell and lithium battery space. So technically, Sun Hydrogen appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 352.3% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. And then momentum for Sun Hydrogen is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. Okay, we can see it rising here. This is the price set of change. It's not exactly doing much of that. So the unbalanced volume indicator is positive. Okay, it shows that longer term accumulation is giving way to near term selling pressure by traders. Okay, well, yes, probably this is going by this chart, this curve. So. And as it concerns retracements as well, I mean, we're doing that because it's the chart, the price curve is pointing upwards, so we'll do an extension. If it were pointing downwards, we'll try and do a retracement. So it's pointing upwards, so we want to believe it's going to continue that way. So it's as such, we looked at its extension. And we found out that based on this, based on where it closed on the 2nd of February 2021, and the low point of on the 15th of January 2021, which was at 21 cents, and then this high point of 30 cents on the 20th of January as well. So we've been able to determine that its next extension level, which will be the 61.8% extension level, a natural level, the price will be looking at is something close to that high point of the 28th of January, which is 29 cents. Which is where this our koss is. Which is up to so a 61% extension level is coming back to that all-time high, and then the 100% level will be at 0.32 cents. The 100% extension level, which will be next one after the 61.8% extension level. So these are natural levels, and so the levels to watch are a retracement to an extension to that 30 cents, and then further beyond to 32 cents. So it's important because market participants do this analysis, and they bet on these figures, and in as much as they are just natural figures, it doesn't mean that they're gonna call, but people are looking at them, and when they look at them, they put their money. It tends to come alive, because it's only when money goes into the stock that it comes alive. So we'll move on to the next one, which we were prompted to look at, which is SunPower, SPWR. Yeah, sorry, it's taking a long time to load this. Okay, SunPower, it's in the semiconductor and semiconductor equipment space sector, or subsector. So it has a market cap of $7.4 billion, 170.16 million shares are sold short, and then let's see, it says here its short interest is 27.34. Let's see if we can find that SPWR. So, oh my goodness, this short interest is 7.49%. This is, if I want to believe this is accurate, so that is interesting. Okay. So this is not, this is sat the 15th of January, so it's a bit stale right now. So it will take about maybe 20 days or thereabout to cover. So this is interesting, makes it really interesting. Okay, it says it will announce fourth quarter fiscal 2020 results on the 17th of February 2021, and then technically SunPower appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping. The MACD histogram is above zero. It's outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for SunPower, as measured by a 14-period slow stochastic oscillator, is waning. Yes, you can see that its price set of change is tipping over. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions bought at lower prices. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So there's a good chance that short sellers may have a hand in this stock as well, so may have a hand in this retracement. So we can see, unlike the other two stocks, this SunPower is tipping over. So we considered a retracement. So the retracement we began with, we just used 2 points. That is this high point of $52.34 that occurred on the 26th of January 2021. And the low point of where it closed yesterday, the 2nd of February 2021. So which is we have it as $43.76. Okay, so we have it as $43.76. That's what it says on here, up here, 43 up there, 43 exactly. That's it, $43.76. So we have that. The 23% retracement level, which will be the next one, 23.6% retracement level. So SunPower is trading below that retracement level. And then the next one, which will be 38.2, some power is still trading below that level, and that level is $50.04 on the 4 cents. Yes, so the $23.6% retracement level, the price is $51.52. So the 38.2% retracement level, the price is $50.04. The 61.8 retracement level, the price is $47.64, and some power is also trading below that. And then the 78.6% retracement level, which would be the last, I presume, last known level, some power is also trading below that, and that price is $45.93. So yes, it's looking quite cheap, and market participants may see that that way. And also you can also clearly see here that it is also trading below its 10-day trend line. That's this curve here. That's so it's setting up for an entry for market participants. That's what some of them might see it as. So if you have the money to enter into some power, yeah, you can by all means do so. It's trading. It has retraced enough, and it also has a healthy short interest. So see how it goes. If you have the resources to do so, by all means join in and go ahead and play the stock. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for joining this session. We'll try and run a live session today, the 3rd of February 2021. Okay,